What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back. Today, we've got some exciting leaks and rumors to dive into about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, including a potential slim version that's got everyone buzzing. So, let's get into it. First off, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has been widely leaked and is expected to be officially unveiled next week. But that's not all. There's also talk about a slim version of this foldable beauty that might arrive later this year. And we may have just learned a bit more about it. According to a report from the ELEC via Android Authority, the production schedule for this mystery slim model has now been finalized. So, mark your calendars because the phone is due to make an appearance in the fourth quarter of the year. That's from October onwards. Now, let's talk about what makes this slim version so intriguing. As the name suggests, it's going to be thinner than the regular Z Fold 6. But that's not all. It's also rumored to bring with it an 8-inch main display and a 6.5-inch cover screen. Pretty impressive, right? However, there's a trade-off. To achieve this slimmer profile, Samsung is reportedly dropping S Pen support for the slim version. While this might disappoint some fans, it seems like a necessary move to make the device more compact. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the prospect of a slimmer Galaxy Z Fold 6? Or is the lack of S Pen support a deal-breaker for you? Let us know in the comments below. To recap, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to be unveiled next week, with a slim version potentially arriving in the fourth quarter of this year. This slim model will feature an 8-inch main display, a 6.5-inch cover screen, but no S Pen support. That's all for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this update, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.